Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button because today we're diving into something super exciting, the best vegetables to plant in July in the UK. Summer is in full swing, and July is the perfect time to give your garden some love. Whether you've got a small patch or a big backyard, I've got some great veggies that you can plant right now. These will thrive in the summer heat and reward you with a bountiful harvest. So grab your gardening gloves and let's get growing. All right, let's kick things off with our first veggie. And trust me, you'll want to stick around because number 5 is a game changer. First up, we have lettuce. Lettuce is a superstar for summer planting. It grows quickly and loves the warm weather, especially varieties like romaine and butterhead. Plus, you can harvest leaves as you need them, perfect for fresh salads all season long. Just make sure to give them plenty of water and some shade during the hottest part of the day. Next, we have spring onions. These little guys are super easy to grow and they don't take up much space. You can plant them directly in the soil and they'll be ready to harvest in about 8 weeks. They add a zesty kick to any dish and are fantastic for stir fries, salads, or just snacking raw. Number 3 on our list is something every cook will love: herbs. July is a great time to plant basil, dill, and parsley. They grow fast and are perfect for pots or window boxes. Imagine stepping outside and picking fresh herbs to add to your dishes. The aroma alone is worth it. For our 4th pick, let's talk about French beans. These are fantastic climbers and they're super productive. You can plant them now, and by late summer, you'll have a load of beans ready to pick. They love the sunshine, and with a little support, they'll grow tall and give you fresh, crispy beans. Now, here's a game changer. I promised beetroot. Beetroot is an amazing vegetable to plant in July. It's versatile, nutritious, and super easy to grow. You can eat the roots and the leaves, and they add a wonderful splash of color to your garden and your plate. Plus, they can handle a bit of dry weather, so they're great for summer. And there you have it, folks. 5 fantastic vegetables to plant in your garden this July. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these veggies are perfect for you. They're easy to grow and will give you a delicious harvest. So get out there, enjoy the sunshine, and happy planting. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. And leave a comment below. What are you planting in your garden this summer? See you next time.